Hi, welcome to my channel again. So today I was craving homemade shawarma and tada, I made this very yummy. So this was how I prepared it. I used beef, minced beef and chicken. Then I added barbecue sauce to the meat. I added onion powder and what else? Okay, I added curry spice to the meat, and the next thing was a little powdered ginger. Then I mixed everything together. I gave it a good mix. Then the next thing was I added salt. That was the next thing I added. Just a little salt to taste. Then I turned it and I covered it up to marinate in the freezer for 3 hours. I put it in the freezer to marinate for 3 hours so that the spices will sink into the meat. Then the next thing, I brought out my mayonnaise. I added 4 spoons of mayonnaise. And the next thing, after the 4 spoons of mayonnaise, the next thing was ketchup. I added enough quantity of ketchup and black pepper to taste because I like it very spicy. Then the top of the ingredient for me, this one is the suya spice. That's what gives me the real taste that I need for the shawarma. Suya spice is everything, honestly. Then I added soy sauce. There is this sweet soy sauce that I also added to the mix, and I turned everything together. I mixed it. Then after the meat marinated, I added a little oil to the pan and I stir fried for just few minutes stir fry. And after frying, I fried it for how long? I think it was like 5 minutes. Yeah, around 5 to 10 minutes. I fried it for 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. Out when I was done, I poured out the meat in the plate when I was done stir frying. And the next was to wash my lettuce. That's one good ingredient I love for shawarma. I always add lettuce to my shawarma and almost all the meals that I eat. So I've already diced the carrot and the cabbage, added the sauce to it. I mixed everything together. I gave it a very good mix. Then after mixing, I added the meat, the already stir-fried meat to the mix. I turned everything together. And I brought out my tortilla and applied a little mayonnaise on it before I poured out my mixed ingredients into the tortilla. Yeah. Then I had to be very careful to put small quantity so that I'll be able to wrap it up. Then I carefully wrapped up the shawarma wrap. Carefully wrapped it with the lettuce. I didn't forget to add the lettuce. Then I fried in the pan. And tada! My shawarma is ready. It was too huge, like very big. I couldn't finish it. I couldn't finish the shawarma. It was really large. But I think I'll finish it later at night. Trust me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, drop your nice comments and subscribe. Thank you.